marrow, frost upon the glass, counting every shadow as the seasons pass. Echoes in the timber, salt upon the brow. What was forged in ember is the anchor now. Runic lines of silence carved into the stone, seeds of old devotion in the soil we've sown. Raven in the rafters, watching through the smoke, bearing witness to the word the mountains spoke. Rise against the tide, let the foreign roar. We are more than ash on a distant shore. Through the biting gale and the iron spray, we will find the light at the edge of day. Legacy of lightning, spirit of the deep, promises the iron tides are sworn to keep. Iron tides are sworn to keep. The keel bites the current.